Nantucket is a beautiful island. It's why so many people come from far and wide to spend time here. Now we're about to show you some of the most incredible properties this island has to offer. On the outskirts of town, and about halfway to Cisco Brewery, you're going to find 37 Milk Street. Let's check it out. This home has 7 bedrooms, 5.5 baths across 4 floors of living. It's perfect for your Nantucket getaway. If you're looking to spend time on Nantucket, don't hesitate to reach out today.